Do capital cities get more capital growth than regional markets? Well, let's have a look at the data. As you can see from this chart, over the last 12 months, over the last 3 months, even over the last 1 month, the data from CoreLogic shows that capital growth in regional markets on aggregate has been higher, or at least as high as most capital cities. And I expect that's going to continue. Why? Because prices in regional markets are so much more affordable in general than capital cities. So yes, I think capital growth will continue to be strong in many regional markets, but if you're looking to buy in a regional market, here are 4 things you need to consider. Number 1, economic strength and economic diversity. Please do not go and buy in a regional market just because it's cheap, that might have, say, one industry feeding it, or where most jobs are in one industry, for example, mining or tourism. These are probably the highest risk investments that you could undertake, because what happens if that industry gets hit by, for example, Donald Trump's tariffs or something else? All of a sudden, the jobs are gone, people leave that area, and you're left with a property in a ghost town that you can't even rent, and worse, you probably can't even sell unless you make a massive loss. So focus on buying in regional markets that have multiple industries feeding them, jobs in multiple industries. Number 2, look at jobs growth, because jobs growth attracts people. You want to make sure that you're buying in an area that people are wanting to move into, and that's only going to happen if there's strong potential for jobs growth in that area. Number 3, look at owner occupancy rates. So what I mean by that is, are the people who are moving into the area, are they looking to buy and actually live, put down roots? Because if that's the case, then they're going to be absorbing the supply, because owner occupiers are buying the properties. It also probably means that then there's also strong jobs growth, like I mentioned earlier on, plus other good amenities like schools and shops and everything else that people would look for if they're looking to live in an area. And then number 4, check out the vacancy rate. Make sure that when you're buying in an area, there is stronger rental demand than available properties for rent. Follow these 4 criteria, and chances are you could easily find a regional market that's cheaper than a capital city, but it's likely to outperform in terms of capital growth.